Hello guys, this is CT6S Autonics counter. Press mode for 3 seconds to enter the parameter setting. We choose counter. Then press mode. Input will be up count. Press mode again. Okay, this one output mode. We should select output mode C for auto reset. Then press mode again and select CPS input speed. I select 1K CPS. Now we set the output time. You can set to maximum is 10 seconds. Output the setting first, then output one setting. This is a decimal point setting. Then the input signal is based on switch setting. When you open casing, you will find this switch. Okay, last is scale setting 1 to 1 if I select one. Hold mode around 3 sec back to home screen. Source supply is 240 AC volt. Input terminal number 6, 612 volt number 8, and ground number 9. Okay, now I try to count using encoder. Yes, this counter able to receive encoder output. Okay, use reset button to reset it. Setting also set value 1 and 2. I will set 20 for set value 1 and 2. Okay, this one will auto reset function. Check again output time setting. I select a fast response both 0.1 second. Now we can see the result. Thanks, and if you like this video, please subscribe.